Sphere, Las Vegas. Nice kayo ha. Nindot din siya tanaw gabi ha.
Yeah, they fixed it because last time it was hard to see in the daytime. I think they fixed it.
Las Vegas, Nevada.
Thanks for watching vlog.
This is Sphere, Las Vegas, Nevada. Pindot kita na na.
We go in there?
Mas mahal. Yeah, nindot kayo.
They fixed it because we couldn't see it at daytime.
It's nice
Yeah, we couldn't see
kayo.
it at daytime.
Oh, yung Sphere diri sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay. Here kayo makita. Basta ko kayo.
There's still gonna be the strip.
Yeah.
Venetian Palazzo. Look.
That one is Venetian Hotel and Casino. Kana Palazzo Hotel and Casino pod.
Very good.
If you come visit here in Las Vegas, daghan kay casino inyong madulaan. Yan. Diri sa Las Vegas, bisan og karon sa winter may sa amoa. Bugnaw magabi pero maadlaw magka kuan jud kag adlaw bahayag na ay init-init.
This is the Venetian Expo. They used to be the Sands.
Yeah.
But the Sands
Mhm.
is gone. Now it's Venetian Expo.
Swan. Nanlakaw ang mga tao. Daghan gyapon lakaw-lakaw bisag bugnaw ang hangin pero naay kuan nimong init. Makabulag gyapon kag init. Dili gyud pare sa ubang lugar sa US nga pulos lang jud bugnaw during this kuan karon nga bulan bugnaw din kay nga bulan ron.
Yes.
It's not like in Alaska if during this time this month porting bugnawag yun until pagig March sa March maabot pa yun ang ice na Marso maabot pa yun kuan
Venetian.
kani Wynn Hotel and Casino pod
That's win-win.
Wynn
Win-win.
that one Louis Vuitton.
This one here,
Chanel.
it's fashion show mall.
This is Fashion Show Mall. Makita ninyo na di ang Trump Building. Din ha mo na ang Treasure Island. Treasure Island Hotel and Casino po na.
Fashion show right here.
This one.
Fashion show.
Fashion Show Mall. Ang behind mo na ang Trump Building.
To park for free, go park here.
Yeah, if you want to park free here. Front of the
this one.
Fashion Show Mall. Libre, wala bayad.
This one.
That one. Yeah. Wala bayad hiya na mag-park.
No.
It's libre diha. Ano, Treasure Island, if you want park in the garage, it's libre, walay bayad. Treasure Island. Uy, na-sila sure din ako.
Strip.